Welcome to the HotHealth training module on setting up and using the chat function. In this module, you'll learn how to enable, configure, and use the chat feature on your HotHealth site so you can improve communication, provide real-time support and enhance user engagement. To access the chat settings, click on the Profile button and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the section Settings and click Chat. This will open the chat settings page where you have several options: update the settings, view existing conversations and start a new conversation. In the settings, you can update the section name, control the visibility of the chat section and set permissions for who can initiate conversations. You also have the option to add a legal disclaimer. To view existing or past conversations, click Go to Chat. This will display all chats you've participated in, including those you've been added to by others. To start a new conversation, click New Conversation, then add the recipients, either specific users or a group. Once added, you can type your message and attach files if needed. When you're ready, click Send to begin the chat. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.